far away I come from.
I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people
I noticed too some of my mic might be a little loud, so I'll try to turn down it.
Stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never been unpacking. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me.
Alright, we should be live, and you guys can figure out if you like yourself.
They don't want to help them do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself. Practice what you preach.
And yes, if you look like that, it's probably just a lot of light in your background, but if you're cool with it,
that's
cool.
It was not the way I look.
No, well, it looked a little bit faded, but it just probably because a lot of sun is coming in your background.
Yeah, I have high windows.
Alright, you good
It's
though.
a high ceiling place. Yeah, I can't turn that off.
D, go ahead and talk. I can hear naps on there.
Check, testing. Did that help?
There's a delay, so I'm just checking.
Yeah, it is. The man got the old school headphones.
Well,
Okay, yeah.
My buds
You
died
came
too
through.
fast. I think I need new ones.
My Fun the Future is offering free resets
What?
for everybody with any eval.
Oh, you have to purchase it, eval, and then you get the free reset.
Offer applies to all evals purchased between. That's funny. It's purchased between today and the 25th. But 3 max uses.
You see this market right now?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Oh, that's for the expert accounts.
It makes you want to like YOLO, right? Just go ahead and buy it in YOLO. You get 3 tries in between. Damn, this market.
Purchasing in your account.
You guys can talk. I'm trying to post this on Twitter and then.
Is everything running?
Yeah, everything is running right now. All right. So I posted in the chat. I did trade London. Not that I was really planning to, but I woke up and price was just in an area. Y'all can see my screen, right? Oh, you know what?
Be watching it.
Huh? I don't think you can see my screen. I have to share it, right? On the Discord.
Are you talking about on the Discord?
Well, I assume you guys are not watching the YouTube link.
No, we're not.
Okay, let me share my screen with the all right, in the Discord, that is. So what I did not want to, I wasn't sure where price was going to open up. I assumed that Thursday's low was going to stay intact, but when we took Thursday's low, well, when we had that huge gap down, I said, man, Monday's going to be interesting, but now I'll keep it short. This right here, it says resistance, is because I figured if we took Thursday's low and we did not touch this, right? So what I was actually hoping for is a quick buy above here, and it did not. I took like a scalp, I took like a little bit of a loss, and then it came back down and I said, nah, I'm not gonna do it. And so when we came here, I had one sell scalp, made up for my loss and some. I was up nicely, and then I looked at this in ES, and then I ended up buying here and I caught the low of the day. So I'm up 2 bands right now, but I did not hold it on the account because I was like, yo, I don't know what we're gonna do. And I did listen to ICT this weekend, and he talked about how he typically does to pad his stats, not stats, but his account. He sometimes just create a buffer for the day and then risk 50 to 75% of it. And so I said, hey, not a bad idea. I just so happened to wake up like around 3:20, 3:30, and I said, yo, let me see what this looks like. And then I caught that, so that's what that was. But I do think we at least get to here, which is 2 a.m. highs, and then I honestly don't know where we go from there. To be honest with you, I have areas of interest below that I do not want it to tap, which is 21,076. So you could say 21,080. And worst case scenario, we can drop down to 20. Let's just say 2,900 to make it easy. 2,900, which would be the first fair value gap from Monday of last week. It would also be OTE as well from Monday New York session of last week as well. So those are all possibilities, and then yeah, that's it. That's all I got.
Okay, David, you care to share anything?
I like to stay in this upper half of last week's range, maybe down to 21,050 at most. Unless the Japan stuff is really gonna hurt today.
In addition to the Japan stuff, with US losing its AAA credit rating, I assume market was gonna drop lower with a bigger gap.
The Moody's stuff, right?
Yeah.
What's happening in Japan? I'm sorry. Finish what you're saying.
I was gonna say I do want lower prices. London highs is just a little bit of what I'm anticipating for today. I'm actually anticipating we trade back into the new week opening gap. So that big orange rectangle, vertical rectangle you have, or just the gray one.
The gray one,
I'm
yeah.
anticipating price to trade into that and then to go lower and take out previous week lows, which were Monday's low. That's my projection for the week.
Okay.
Why do I hear NEPs twice?
If you
I'm
hear
not sure.
NEPs twice, then are you listening to it on the YouTube?
Because of Discord in addition to the other video feed.
Oh, from the link?
I'm
Are you
assuming
listening to it on YouTube too?
No, not on YouTube, but the Ninja link is up.
What happens if we mute the Ninja link and then
I
just
mute the Ninja.
No, don't mute the
That
Ninja
sound-
link. Because if you mute the Ninja link, you're not gonna come through the YouTube. Maybe I
Alright.
just need to
so how about we mute the Discord link?
wait. No, because it's not
This-
picking
I
up
hear,
my
all I
Discord.
know is the only one I hear twice is NEPs.
Nips, are you listening to the YouTube link?
Mm-mm.
No, I don't have it on either.
It's muted there. Let me see. If I mute myself, you're not gonna hear me. I'm not sure. Both of
has
you
to be
guys are
one
set
of
up
them.
the same.
We have two feeds.
Who have two feeds?
We're going based off of Discord as well as the Ninja stream. So if Ninja includes sound and video, there's no point of the Discord, is what I'm trying to say.
No, but on my end, so what happens is we've paused this user. So Discord, only I can hear you on Discord. That's not coming through the OBS. On the
Why don't you change
OBS, through your feed, on that's what comes through the on the YouTube link.
Okay. So the
But
Ninja
you know
sound
what?
video
Check your Discord audio and video to make sure that your mic is not your computer mic. Well, actually, it doesn't matter. It's really about your headphones. Check your settings on Discord.
I just did both my input and output of my AirPods.
Alright, so what should I do?
No, you're fine, D. You're fine.
Oh,
Yes. Do you hear yourself twice?
Mm-mm. Just a ghost.
You hear you hear Ghost twice?
When he speaks, yeah, I don't hear you twice or myself.
Yeah, so my voice is different.
Okay. If you're not hearing me twice, then it's not. Then it's definitely not on my end. Honestly, I don't know. If none of you guys have the YouTube link up, even if you did, all you have to do is mute the YouTube. But I would say,
Man, it was boring. It was
Yeps, go ahead and talk.
This is a new period of our lives.
Hi, hello.
Ben is done with soccer now. I'm done with
Yeah, now I can't hear him because I muted him on Discord.
again.
Yeah, so if you hear somebody twice,
We're getting to
it
a point where we're gonna be
should only mean that
you know, not a lot going on. And
something is coming back on your mic twice and it's kind of feeding itself.
I appreciate that. And I'm gonna tell
Okay.
you I had that.
So Neps, what I would say for you is
It was like an unsatisfied trying weekend.
You said your audio and your video, your audio input and output is both your AirPods? Yeah, I don't know, cause that shouldn't be a problem.
Hold on. I'm looking at the Ninja, and I think my audio source is my computer. Let me try that.
Okay, change that then.
It's not even given my headphones as an option.
So I have to be in the Discord to hear Trill, huh?
And I stopped that because, well, the true reason I stopped it is because the board there was pretty crappy and pretty corrupt, so I don't want to be a part or associated with that.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell y'all.
So I am considering maybe, finding...
Unmute. Do y'all still hear it? Nips, do you hear yourself twice? Or did you hear D twice that last time? Okay. All right. Well, market about to open, so all right. I'm gonna see where price goes. Let's just watch. Cause you still hearing it? Well, he went away. He went on bathroom break. Okay, so it might be on his end. I don't know. But yesterday he was using different headphones. So I don't know, but he have hardwired. I don't think it would make it an issue though. But looking at this market, we look like we going up. My demo account is loving it right now. I'll tell you that much on them longs. Why? Oh, no. Yeah, do that. I thought you was talking about like two trading things at once. You good. Not really, because I'm not gonna hear it, and I think more importantly, through the YouTube, I have music playing, even though you guys can't hear it, so it's gonna drown out the majority of your background. Seeing how this candle closes. I mean, if London is low today, this looks like an easy buy. But Gonna wait it out. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we also took sell side liquidity post 8:30 as well. So that demo is balling for me, man. This is an easy buy right now. If you wanted to buy, we took sell side at post 8:30. I don't see any divergence that I can tell right now, but I'm looking at 9:15 lows. And watching, and then we just went back up. I want to see at least London highs, 2 a.m. highs, and then kind of see what happened from there. I don't mind being a little patient. Yep, easy buy at the gate. ES look like it wants to go for it. ES just tapped London highs. Once again, ES leading the way. No, Nyaps as in a meeting. I'm curious to see what happens once we get into the NWOG, if it gets there. It don't matter. Yeah. right. Makes sense to me. To short. They're both in the NWOG. What a run up. You talking about in Asia? Yeah. Okay. Had I held on to my longs from London low, I would be done for the day. I would have partialed by now though, right at the London highs. Yeah. ES took Asia's high, and Q has not yet. No. Oh, you know, I only look at Asian kill zone high, not like the overnight hours. The high at a what is it, 8 p.m. to midnight? Oh, dope. That's for which one? My funded futures? Take profit? Nice. That's good on that, man, because I can't do that intraday. So that's good that the intraday drawdown. I know on Apex, the intraday drawdown, it never, even when you get past your max for the evaluations phase, that thing just keeps going. The intraday drawdown all throughout the evaluation. It's not until you get to your account. And I was like, damn, that sucks. But that's good that Tradeify does that. So once you get past your max, you get past your max. Are you talking to us, D? Oh, you sound low. I thought you was talking to yourself. Huh? Yeah, it sounded like you were just whispering. Oh. You don't use the quadrants for that? Oh, okay. I would wait for the setup. No, I don't know. I think I wanted it to short already if we was going to short. Because on the higher time frame, it's still inside that daily inversion gap from last week, and from the looks of it, there is divergence on the bottom, which, yeah, I have. Well, the divergence on the, yeah, there is divergence both ways. Let me see. I'm on a 15 minute, and we're above 50% on both of them for that, for the NWOG. Yeah, I mean, if the higher time frame is bullish, it would just be easy. But if this whole move would have to be the manipulative move to come back down. So I'm curious to see if it does that. I just don't want it to. I mean, honestly, I just didn't want it to close the regular trading hours gap, because I'm like, yo, that would just be too easy. But then again, so what I'm looking at right now is on the 1 minute, the 947 candle. If we come below that, then I'd look for that to become an inversion. I'd take those shorts. DXY. DXY is going up. I think I would like to entertain these shorts right now. We haven't reached 50% yet. Nah, it looked like 50% to me. Okay. One more push would be good for the macro, right? I mean, honestly, this bullish move was enough for the day too. I mean, it went up 140 points from the open. Let's see. I might entertain these shorts. The only reason why I don't want to get in shorts right now is because we're 6 minutes for this candle to close. If the 15-minute candle closes around here, I will just go ahead and short. But I want to see it do one more push as well before going into shorts. It's just that one more push. Huh? I mean, looking at 4 hour, we look hella bullish. It look like we took sell side overnight. I'm being patient. I should have just bought though, and then partial and let whatever happens happen. But yeah, I saw it and I didn't pull the trigger. It's all good. It's definitely gonna push up now. So consolidation, continuation. Waiting. We got 5 minutes, so we got 5 minutes. It looked like it. I see it on ES. I don't think so, but on what? I don't know. I'm not even paying attention to it right now, but I think we look good. I mean, man, I'm like waiting. I'm like, yo, is this SMT or what? in less than a minute. It's like we all waiting, right? Is it gonna drop or not? Let me see. All right. There's some news at 10. It's not a major though. Yellow folder. CB leading index. Okay. I think I might want to try some shorts. Wow, this could be SMT right here. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm not in anything yet. That's very true as well. Because it doesn't have to come back down based off of the higher time frame. So ES is above the Inwang. ES might just go ahead and fill that gap, man. Close that gap. Feel like NQ about to do the same. What Bitcoin news? I hope y'all guys know I don't pay attention to news much. So you guys mentioned Japan and Bitcoin today. Oh, okay. You're gonna buy? Let me see. I'm checking the audio right now. I hear you, D, and maybe my music is too loud, maybe? I always have music in my background. You know how boring the stream would sound? Nah, man. It's that, remember, we had a period where we was like silent. But, let's see. Let's all talk now and then see if I care. Oh, Nips, I don't hear you. Huh?
Nice and healthy.
I closed half because that was a nice unexpected.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's ride this wave. Let's ride this wave to Friday's high.
I'm hearing the Ghost's echoes, but just so y'all know, my aim is 21,512 right now.
I'm hearing your echo.
Okay, so at least the sound is back on.
I don't know what happened to my drawings, but something got out of whack. But Friday's high is... Oh, actually, NQ never took Thursday's high, so... We still got, we got some nice room for buy side. We got nice room.
Spread your wings and soar.
Oh yeah, send this shit up. Let me see. What's the last?
All right, you should be back up $1,000 again.
Yeah.
Good catch. Good catch.
Thank you, sir. All right, I'm looking for Thursday, Friday, and Thursday's high for NQ.
Tell me
That
how
should be the
Alright.
that should be the draw. That should be the draw liquidity here now. Unless. Give me a second. Let me change my charts. 5 minutes. No, so close. I wanted to take those highs, especially after taking Thursday,
We got one standard
Wednesday,
deviation from London's low.
Tuesday's lows. Yeah, but we're up. We are up from here.
Not really pushing.
Yeah, we want to get this push. Well, the dealing range till 10:30, so it may not want to show its full hand yet to set the dealing range. But we look good for buy side.
Oh boy.
We look real good.
My goal is to pass this damn TikTok.
Oh, they said they can hear us.
Okay,
Wait,
good deal.
who's talking to you?
The girl from the Cabo bar, she has it playing on the TV at the bar.
Oh, snap.
She have us playing on the TV. That's funny.
She's got it playing on the TV there.
Dang, I should have put on a shirt. Too late.
Trying to flex.
Nah, bro, I don't even work out anymore. But you gotta be professional.
I wonder if they hear the echo that I hear when you talk.
I'll be back.
He's really gonna go put on a shirt?
Probably.
Bro, it's about professionalism. I'm in the corporate world. I've been brainwashed.
This guy was on live. He knew he was on live stream the whole time.
And he came with a stringer on.
And he decided to put on a shirt when he hear he's at a bar.
Cut me some slack, bro. Alright.
There. Let's get rid of these.
15-minute candle.
Now that you mentioned you're at Cabo Bar, it makes me want to eat that damn pistachio croissant right now with some espresso shots.
That'd be nice. Little pistachio. Okay, so I just switched over to SPY QQQ. Both of them have mitigated 75% of the opening gap.
I think I'm about to show
So-
it right now.
I'm gonna close this long because I think we're gonna get a better entry.
Yeah, I probably should look at the 15 minutes that Valley got back in, or just measure this morning's range.
Because we had this gap. We have this gap in price, so it wants to fill it. Right? We had this volume spike. This 20-point volume spike. I'm gonna wait for the dealing range to be set.
15 minutes.
Yep.
Some equal highs on NQ.
Yeah, that's Friday, Thursdays.
No, I'm
Last
talking
night,
about on the 1 minute, just like right here.
Oh, oh,
Yeah.
oh.
10:09 and 10:11 calendar.
4:45.
This could be a nice scalp actually.
XY
with
drop
options.
You're done with futures, bro. Just call it a day. You're above the buffer.
No, she said no echo on the stream, so
That's good.
they hear us. I just whenever Neps talks, I hear his echo. Who cares?
Damn, I'm the problem. That's crazy.
Let me see if I can catch an option. Somebody hit a ball?
Huh?
What was
Nah.
that?
It was a water.
Oh, damn. I thought
Yeah.
somebody hit a ball. I was like, damn.
Bro, at 10 a.m.?
Yeah, hey, look, I'm not here to judge, bro. You too. You do.
My goodness. I hit a cigar and a drink at 7 a.m., but I'm not going to hit a bong at 10 a.m. I have class.
Okay, Mr. Stringer.
I'll be right back.
Are you going to pay yourself that $1,000 from take profit? Since it's
No.
been a day of work?
No. I'm gonna run it up all week.
Nice. Man, I'm trying to get 5 of them 150K accounts by the end of this month. It'll make this 10K a week go super, super easy. Let's see if we can just push to 512 now.
Want to do now?
Go up to the 500s. That's where I want to exit at 512.
Yeah, we're not coming back down. I think I just missed this move.
Listen, man, just close your eyes and buy.
I'm not doing that. My move might not come until a little bit later, but I'm patient though. I am patient.
Let the first hour settle. 'Cause we're barely moving anyway here right now. So we're at a crossroads, right? Because this could be perfect area to catch early longs and go against them, or to just run the buy side and still come back down. But NQ tapped into barely tapped into 15-minute breaker. I'm not even gonna say it tapped in. It might be a tick off. But I think since we've stalled right here, we have to wait it out. It's creating a pattern that I like, but I would need to see displacement away from it.
You talking about the breaker, huh?
Even though the first hour is still pointing out. Yeah, there's just too much. I think we caught what we were going to catch for now, and we need to be patient. We caught the buys. I think everybody caught some of the buys. So now we just have to wait. I wanted to offset early buyers.
I don't know.
Why? If you're in a buy, that doesn't make sense.
Because what I want it to do and what it will do is something totally different. I don't think of what I want it to do anymore.
I think we offsetted early buyers from last week. To be honest with
remember
you.
How I think. Anything that happens
overnight
in the scanned hours doesn't mean anything to me.
But still, anybody who was long on Friday opened up with price way below.
Yeah, nobody's holding long over the weekend. That's not how I see it.
Okay.
We are creating a pattern that I typically like. And there is some sell side that we can mitigate at least from 9:30. So.
Said gaps love to get filled.
Yeah, I mean, we've created a few.
I want to short. I'm going to short right here. We're at the 1 standard deviation.
That's bold.
I think it'll be at least a retracement, maybe, but I'm gonna give it a very, very short leash.
Let's not short leashes be 50 points.
Huh?
I say your short leashes be 50 points.
Nah, my short leash is like right now
150.
K2.
Stop loss or TP.
I could be in a little bit early, but I like this area at the 1 standard deviation to at least get a retracement down. Even double down.
Okay, come on, double down.
Like I said, it's a very short leash, and I'm risking profits from earlier today. So if we just shoot up, then I will. Well, I'll still be in profit, but.
I just don't like the area we stalled in. It's not.
I ain't gonna lie, I like the area. I don't like the time. My bad, do you were saying something?
50. No, it's just too 50-50. It's not worth the risk.
Let's see. Minor sell side. Candle. Where's the 10 o'clock candle? Since the 10 o'clock candle, we've only been going up. So I think we at least go down to the 10-13, 10-14 candle, but I want speed lower. I feel more confident at the 10:30. Come on, give me some, show me some displacement.
You might get this internal sell side right here.
Yeah, but I don't want it. I want it to keep going though.
Yeah, I don't think that's what's happening.
This man has a funny way of saying I don't agree.
Hey man, we don't have to, man. That's okay.
Yeah, it's all good.
He got money on the longs. I said, let me just get a little bit. Let me get a little bit of something. There we go. Up 3 bands for the day now. Move this to break even. And then let the rest run just in case it come back against me.
Good cash, my boy. I love it for you.
Listen, man, so you just gotta trust what you see.
That's a fact.
Let's go.
Internal liquidity taken on both. This could be market structure shift time. I just don't like the time of the day. While it's still being in the dealing range.
Alright, that's internal liquidity.
Eat. I join you on the shorts if
that
it
was
closes.
late.
No. It's not. It's never late. You always have a second leg. If it closes below the CE of the new week opening gap and retest the CE, I enter on that retest.
Close another. That's 4 bands on a day.
Eat, my boy, eat.
Alright, if it come back, I don't care. If it come back, I don't care.
You could just secure the extra $500-$700 you're up right now.
Nah. Now I want to be greedy.
That's greed.
I can't be greedy with one contract.
If you have one running now, bro, just close it.
Nah, one is running. Let it run, bro. Let it run, bro.
Let it run back down to 0, right?
That's fine. Listen, I already took partials. I'm up for the day.
First fair value gap retest.
Oh, nah, that'd be amazing. What you? That was wild for the stream, bro.
Hey, I said pause. I protected myself.
That was wild, bro. Somebody at the bar right now, like, hey, yo.
Yo, I missed it. What happened?
Like, yeah, I need a drink, not a coffee.
I can't repeat what he said. That was wild.
I said a first Fair Valley Gap retest for sell side, and I was like, you jumping on this D? Then I said pause. That was a triple entender, bro. That was terrible.
This is it right here, right?
Yeah, that's
wait for continuation.
Let's go. I'll take it down to first Fair Value Gap.
Yeah, I'm already in.
Yeah, I'm with it.
I just take it $1,000 and call it a day.
I would say first Very Gap is what, 936. If it does come down, I'm looking at that 956 candle to see if that's where initially I was gonna take partials, and I said nah, let me not be greedy. So I would at least if you're gonna try to ride it out, I would trail the stop loss below the that's what, 341, below 341.
I mean, if anything, first Fair Value Gap would make the most sense to me.
I'm watching for divergence right now. Well, I tell you, you can make money being a bull or a bear. That's why I love this thing.
The value gap just makes the most sense. That'd be a nice play.
Come on, give me some speed.
Right. Play nice. Play nice for once. What else would we got?
I would like on the 5 minute if we can like close below with these bodies. I'm looking at the 1005 and 1025 candle as a what's what I'm looking for? Balance pressure.
Sit on the 5 minute.
On the 5 minute. You know, you got the 1005 candle up, but this needs to close down though, because it's playing in a 5 minute volume imbalance and 5 minute fair value gap. So I don't want it to continue up. So we can get, if we can close below here in the next 2 minutes, then that could be a balanced price range at that point.
Gotcha. We're right at the top of the new week open gap, right?
Yeah. I thought this were initially Nieps had bought the first time, right? And it came back and took those. Make ends meet, man. This a car note. Mortgage paid. Let's see, 10-4. Yeah. I don't like this up move.
Into the breaker, lower block, whatever you want to call it, rejection block.
Breaker would be nice.
All of the above.
It could be whatever it wanna be. Just don't come back to my entry. Let me give it a little bit more room.
I mean, this looks good right here. I mean, if price action is going to hold true.
It's probably going to go back up, to be honest with you, because it just took some sell side liquidity. But I want it to go down to... I just feel like more people are trying to buy this dip right here. So
Yeah.
I would prefer shorts. You know, at least just a little bit longer to induce sellers.
You know what's funny?
Uh-huh.
Oh, my bad. This one is saying it's probably going to go up knowingly, but he still won't exit.
Because I could be wrong, bro. I follow. Listen, had I bought that first buy at market open, right? I would have took partials a long time ago. Even though I think it might sell, I would have just let one contract ride. That's the beauty of letting something ride. But if my plan was for sales all along, though, so if my plan was for longs, then I would say, all right, I'm gonna get in sales, get in buys, and just play both sides.
I don't disagree with you there, but it's not like a parent sale. Like there was no external, there was no SMT on top. You know you were only catching a retracement, but you're treating it as if it's an A+ setup.
But I wanted my retracement to be to 341 at least. So, and you know, and I probably would have got out of this sell had I not seen what looks like displacement, at least on the lower time frame, right? That those three candles, 1025, 26, 27, and then D pointed out that might be a breaker. I see the sell side, like it looked like it could go continue down. It's really a matter of.
I like it to a first fair value gap.
Yeah.
I wanted to continue down so you can get that 5K.
So D can get 5K?
Then you're gonna want 6K instead.
Nah, man. Listen, I'm just trailing at this point. Whether I made more than enough for the day, whether I get stopped out or whatever, I have a pretty good entry, and just let it rock. How many times have you exited trades and then it just went all the way?
All the time.
Oh, quite a few times, but
Yeah, man.
I typically am satisfied with the partial. I don't close 50% of partial. I be closing 80%.
Oh yeah. Listen, I started out with like 4 contracts on this, and I closed 3.
Okay, that's good. I judge you less. Man. That's good.
For
I love you, man.
mini?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, damn.
But remember, that's why I said, yo, I like the setup, look like what it's giving me, and I gave that thing a short, very, very short leash.
The balls are still, man. I love it.
Seems like it's waiting for macro.
Look like it's going back
do
up.
anything.
Yes, trying to make new highs. If it stops me out, I'm just gonna watch it. Well, which it did. That thing still might go back down. Because it's just price, and this is just how I see price, right? Had I got not taking partials and I was just in this for the first time, I would still let this rock, because the 915 and the 916 candle, those created new highs and then it broke down. So I'm seeing that as an inversion. So I know that it can dig a little bit deeper than I would want it to. But I'm still would be with the shorts.
Yeah, you would be right too.
Yeah. Now this is the discipline part. You know, if I wasn't talking to you guys or I wasn't live stream, I might gamble and say, yo, just jump back in. You know, and I can't. And sometimes I can, but I can't jump back in every single time. You know, today, I'm Gucci today. I'm Gucci today. The market makers went up they watching this live stream too. They went up to take my stop. We're going back.
You know
down.
how they do.
Can't let them all win. They looking for shorts. Keep running up.
Does it want buy side first?
What Raja Bank say? Wickfields.
So close.
Looking at so this is where I would put, let's see, 50% of this wick. ES is respecting it, and we're still below 50% of this wick for NQ. I can tell.
Feels like it's waiting for instructions.
Yes, and I feel like that was displacement, and then at least on the lower time frame, it looked like displacement, retracement, and go back down.
I think it wants buy side.
It might. Let's see.
I'd like to see it aggressively attack it.
I'll be back.
Ooh wee. What is that? Equal highs on ES?
Buy side at 530.
What time is it? 10:43.
I mean, it feels like it's waiting for the macro.
I feel like that thing about to tank.
This is what I don't like.
The price about to tank. Yeah, it's going back down, and it's about to come down with some speed.
They start holding price and fucking manipulating it.
You called it out, man. The breaker. What, man?
No, but it's defying some logic. I mean, that looks like it wants to sell now, you know? A minute ago, it looked like it was gonna continue.
I'm fighting every fiber of my being not to push the sell button.
Trust me, I want to also. Guess who gave their profits back that we made together last week?
Not you. You said from last week?
Remember last week, I started the week with 3K. And all of that Friday, gone bye-bye, bro.
Oh, on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
So,
what about today, though?
I need 9K. No. Today I'm heavily positive. I made 4K today.
Okay, good.
I'm back up 4K. I could do more, but I'm like, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna pass. I just need 9K to pass, and I'm halfway there. So.
Hey, man. Listen, I finished last week with 5K. I'm up 4 today. That's 9, bro. Like, I can't complain.
You know the bad thing?
Huh?
I'm like itching to make. The bad thing is I'm itching to make that extra $500 because 50% consistency.
Nah, man.
500, and I'm just like, I can't.
That's why you gotta forget about the money.
Right?
Like, bump the money.
I'm gonna switch to demo now so that I can satisfy creators.
I don't know if I told you guys I'm purchasing I might need your help on that. I'm gonna purchase a Windows desktop so that I'm not like copy trading, so that my Replicanto runs smoothly. On that computer, it's just gonna strictly be just copy trading. It has no other purpose.
Are you looking to get something like? Oh well, first of all, what's your price range? That's a
I figured just a couple $100.
Okay, because I'm also switching back to Mac, and I have one that's
A Mac?
No, right now I have a window. This
Oh.
one was about $1,100. I bought it for earlier last week, but I'm switching to Mac. So I don't know. If anything, I might just give you this one if you're gonna wait a little while longer.
Hey, man. If it's free, it's for me. But when you trying to do it though? Well, that's a laptop though, right?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about doing a desktop.
Oh, okay, cool. We could do that.
But hey, if it's free though, But how long? When are you trying to purchase that?
I don't know. That's the only issue.
Price playing games right now.
If you're trying to do a couple of hundred, there's a couple of good options. If you're trying to do like 500 to 700, find a really good
Shoot, I even thought about getting a desktop off of Temu.
What?
Alright, man.
Yo, listen, bro. They got like 1 terabyte SSD drives for like a couple $100, man. It might take a month to get here, but
It ain't never coming.
Trump's tariffs, man, is probably
30% tariff on it.
gonna raise the prices on me, man. That thing about to tank, bro. Market.
Transaction was so
Listen,
nice
my thing is
to
always
start, and
concept
now
is
it's going
market makers just look to take you out of position. That's all they want to do, scare you out of your position. That's it.
I think I'm gonna jump out because I have my
What?
mouth in the full button.
Wait, I thought you were still in the shorts.
Nah, I'm good for the day. I'm done. I got out. I'm up 4K.
Oh man, I thought you had.
Extra.
Okay, so that was a scalp you did.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the buy that I did earlier, I went in with 3 contracts. So I kind of ate off of that. And then the scalp only wielded me like $300-400. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna
Those
go touch some
1028
grass.
longs gotta go. They gotta freaking go.
The what?
The 1028 longs, that wick that's right there, 1028 is a bunch of stop losses jammed right there for those who went long. And it's about to get freaking eaten up, man. I want price to run through that thing.
I'm gonna put my toes through some grass outside for this, so I can start the trade.
Run through them
I
stop losses.
I want to see what this macro does, and then I think that's gonna be it.
I'll catch you guys tomorrow or later in the chat.
Bye, babe.
Maybe in the afternoon.
All right,
Have a great day.
It's my-
I just want to see if this macro does anything. And then
Are you riding them shorts?
I want to be.
Oh no. Are you in it already?
I'm not.
It's gonna be too late by the time you want to get in it, man.
It's all right. It's all right.
So you're looking for a retracement to buy back up.
I'm gonna catch the buy. Yeah, I'm gonna catch
Okay.
the buy.
That you can get that. I just think that it's probably not gonna happen until like later, man. It might not even be until after lunch.
Yeah. I mean, well, that's why time is important, right?
Yeah.
Because look, like we're saying, like it's gonna sell, but it doesn't really. It doesn't show me sales really.
I might call it in 10 minutes. At 11. What price been doing? Playing around?
Yeah, it hasn't. It was fucking perfect in the morning, and now it's just defying all logic.
So you remember a long time ago, I said, yo, man, price consolidates. Like, yes, price needs fair value gaps to move, but it also consolidates inside of fair value gaps. And at least for NQ, I know it's inside of one right now. That drop that happened right at market close on Friday is exactly where price has been consolidating from.
Oh, really? I didn't see that. Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I'd like it to drop, right? It would make sense for it to at least mitigate some of this price action.
Yeah, we got relative equal lows. I mean, I'm tempted to push the button too, but I'm like, yo, let me chill.
All right, it's like, well, are you gonna do it or what? Let's just start this.
Because what I don't like is I don't like the relative equal lows, and unless there was some kind of divergence, you know what I mean? But there isn't, so I'm just like, yo, just drop already. But yeah, we both made money, man. That's why it's in moments like these, you can it's easier to walk away.
I just want price action to be fair. That's it. That's all I want.
Like it's time for another drink, man.
Let's see. I just want to see if this macro does anything at all. If not, it doesn't look like it. Back on its bullshit. We had like 45 minutes of nice price action, right?
Yeah. But we know this, man. It loves to go up with ease. We're still up in the bar?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
I'm not sure. After this, I'm gonna head there in the afternoon. When we get off, I'm gonna shower and get ready. See if there's anything in the afternoon to catch.
Yeah. Today's a busy day for me.
At least see if any of this pans out the way we think. I just think it needs to go down to the first fair value gap.
Yeah.
At least. At a minimum.
Gotta go down. There ain't no way you're gonna go up. That would be wild.
Think, right?
I don't know if you saw what I meant with the highest wick on a 15-minute. I had measured it, and it was like, yo, if we don't close above 50% of that, I was remaining bearish.
Oh.
So,
Oh, gotcha.
and that's on both NQ and ES. ES rejected a 50% clean.
Oh, that's a good catch.
Posting, yeah.
I'd like to see it scare early buyers on the day.
Because a lot of people are trying to buy to close that gap.
Yeah. I got chills, dude. Probably look like a retard on camera.
No, you don't.
No, I'm over here shaking and shit.
Oh. I don't think it's going to pick up your jitters. Man, we got a breaker. We got a fair value gap. We got an inversion fair value gap. Like, that thing don't go down.
It looks good, right?
Everything looks good for shorts, man. Relative equal lows.
But it just needs to do it.
When it go down, it might go down with like, you might get a boner candle down there.
Like heavy?
Heavy, like heavy.
Yeah.
That's the only reason to consolidate, is to go down heavy. It's just that while you're in it.
It give you enough time to like no reaction time.
Exactly.
Maybe if I say I'm just gonna get off, it'll do it.
Or go to the bathroom.
I mean, I do need to use the bathroom. That's it. I'm tired of waiting.
It's not 11.
I think that was.
Let's see, 10:59.
that was
Oh, yeah, it's about to be 11 o'clock.
That was a good morning session. You coming back on in the afternoon or no?
If I do, it won't be through live stream because I'll be at work.
Okay.
But most likely not. But if it's something clean, like if we get a retracement down here like we want to, I'll definitely look for some buy continuations to go back up. So I'll see how it plays with that fair value gap. But all right, man.
Peace. I'm out.
Yes, sir.
Red sin. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, I don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Red sin. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, I don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it.